Shakara say.
Hallelujah.
Edewa make you say.
Hallelujah.
Mekuna say.
Hallelujah.
Baba say no show.
Hallelujah.
Shakara de.
Hallelujah.
Edewa de yeah.
Hallelujah.
Make a rap now.
No rap. You don't do. You don't do.
I'm coming out straight this time. I'm
Oh,
coming now with
Jesus.
my own kind of peace of mind.
Oh.
We're doing it this way, like we're not gonna bore you with some flimsy kind of piece of rhyme. So pull a cushion, sit back and relax and listen
Now, you
to
track
our
with
production.
Now, you track with that.
Our mission and vision. So let these all guys know that there's
Two-Face
nothing
came
in this
out,
life.
Two-Face.
I'm just faking up
You
reality.
know, say when all these upcoming people they hustle, they use any medium. So now it's in show man.
Two-Face came out with a piece of rhyme. He
He's
came out with a piece of yam.
I'm coming out straight this
With a-
time.
with a
I'm
little
coming
kind
out
of-
straight with a little kind piece of my own mind.
Okay, so
I'm
usually they
doing
come
it
out
my
better.
way. Because I know that I'm not going to bore you with a flimsy
You're
kind
already
of piece
boring
of
us.
rhyme.
Hey, guy, you are taking my time.
You're already
So
boring
pull
us.
your cushion. I'm telling them about home. Sit down, relax, listen.
I will leave. I have an appointment.
No, it's because it's
Don't tell me the
what
topic.
A man,
Tell me what
when they get appointment for night hour,
Tell me what.
then you can tell me the kind of appointment.
Tell me what to bring us enter back.
Why
this
did you
night.
summon us to the
In
bar?
fact,
So you want go appointment by
They
11:30?
never introduce. Yes. Tell us within day your mind. Wetin one more talk about. Jeja no one call. I don't want anything. They call the rap.
Okay,
Jeje man come
so
on here.
since they say I should go straight to the matter,
Yes,
I go straight to the matter.
matter.
Welcome to the very show that is able to keep you on your very bed or on your couch and make sure that by the time you are done with you tonight, you will be loving somebody in any possible way. This now Bobos Yan saving relationships since 2014. You have heard from the relationship organizer, MC Shakara, the peace ambassador. You have seen him over there. Then you have also seen the only Edewo in the building. Yes, I am the crazy love doctor, and I am the only one that is able to make sure that I tell you that tonight what we want to discuss is simple and explicit. This only simple topic. Very simple.
You know how funny you look. You never sit down one place. You just
It's just the move. It's just the move.
You say, wait tonight. Tonight.
His body just the move.
Because now you know what make I.
We are going to talk to you
Tonight.
But you know say sometimes you say I'm not too tall.
But
My leg won't come down, but
I laugh.
so I dey try adjust the leg.
Well, oh, you admit say no to talk
in the
to
car
me.
I'm not too tall now.
You are saying like they don't
I'm not very tall, but I'm okay.
Are you
I am
short?
the standard
Are
of
you
every.
short?
Are you sure?
I'm
you
not
are
short.
tall. Which one are you?
I'm the standard of every normal. I'm the
Are you the
I'm the
spec?
dream of every girl out there.
Show my dog.
I'm not too tall. I'm
You
not
are
short.
the
I
next- you are
don't
the
do.
nightmare of some
No,
girls.
show I don't forget say if you ask woman, well, what kind of man do you like? The first thing, now tall, dark, and handsome.
And after
So
you,
why you dey-
after you get, I am handsome, and I cannot say I don't know what they mean by tall. So
Yeah,
I am not
you
tall.
know.
So you know
dark,
what to be tall is.
and I don't know what tall is.
Now,
Because I
self-denial
can do
belief.
the same thing that you are doing as a very tall man, according to you.
Don't worry.
Well, today we have a very specific topic that is very interesting because this topic fit cause problems before and after marriage. So it is simple. Which kind job you go like here, say, your partner, they do, or one do? Which kind job? You get some jobs that people they like do. So, social media platforms, they flow under the screen there where you did there. You feel also chook mouth on top of this matter. Tell us the kind of job where you know say you go like to hear say your partner, they do like me. I know go like here say my partner, they do a shower job. So, any other one if you do.
Which person go like say partner they do a
I
shower
don't know.
job?
Some people they feel like
No, rather I would have preferred the topic to be which kind of job you know go like here say your partner they do. You know, rather than which kind of job you want me your partner do because
Then wait till you hear me
say-
talk. I say which kind of job you go like to hear
No,
say
that's
your
why
partner.
you're not talking.
Now what I
no,
talk with
no,
that?
that's not what you said.
Okay,
You
wait,
see, that's
wait,
the
wait.
problem because since today when you sit down for the chair, the way you
body
move,
don't dey move.
you are something they
Yeah,
like.
that's another level.
It's something you know, crank Ashawo get spirit. because some of this Ashawo na agent where they send.
They will not drop am.
And
don't drop am,
and
everybody.
it depends on the beach where that one come from. If you go crank the one way from Oniru, you know, Elegushi, those ones they rely fashion, but
Yeah,
they different.
all those ones dey too.
You understand?
They did too.
So you don't hear me when I tell you yesterday, say, I would love to leave a legacy for my children by being a virgin all my life. You don't hear that? You don't hear me yesterday what I tell you?
No, because today, I don't understand it today.
I am a virgin and I will
Showman,
continue being a virgin. So in case I'm going to be very still and know that there is the Lord in this place. I will be very still. I'm not going to move. And I'm going to rephrase and say that I'm not moving. My hand is the same way it is. The topic again is this. Wait till you know go like here, say your partner won't do as job. Anyhow you want.
Because I was thinking aloud. You said.
So can you please tell us what you know go like? I want to know which kind of job you know go like here. List, give me like 5.
Partner.
Yes, there are jobs you go do. I know say like we like to have a career woman. Maybe she's a banker. Me, I love to see my wife maybe like in a political position. I love all those kind of this thing.
We don't say things if not things we want like. The main
nobody
want make number one. They would like make your wife.
You know they get up when they like make their wife be musician. All those anything we call that showbiz, they no one hear at all.
Me, I don't like my wife be marketer for.
Hey! I forgot to.
You know what makes a market?
I forgot to.
You know what makes a market?
See, I know this is not to diss all marketers, but
you know what makes a market?
You know, say guys always say marketers like Ashawo.
Don't say like Ashawo, boy.
They market something where people want buy.
But this is it.
The word marketing is a bad thing.
Even if your wife get clean mind for the marketing
but
job,
the way the society is, men are bad.
Get demon which you go meet to market
we go push
Jesus
her.
Christ.
if that one see the way they do it, that one go insist say he want and the woman go say no, he go then
Then he go say
that one go call the woman or guy we say
say
they operate the
Same level. Say what's
this
going on?
is what I want.
if you don't tell her say he wants cranking, if you tell her say I don't think
to the oga told
if he call when he call the oga when he call okay they're friends they be back but some of them wey no be friends you understand them e get how you just call the oga tell am say I don't think the person you employed is capable of doing this, you know. But just find one story or lie you have to take. That this American movie, something fighting temptation. No, it wasn't even, it was something, it's not fighting. But I think it had temptation inside.
Now, temptation the name of the movie now.
I heard temptation, you understand. Well, this woman has never in her whole life, you understand. But she, in fact, she married her husband when she was still a teenager, you understand. So all the virgin something. So she never experienced something new. So, and lo and behold, it uses some men deal with them plants as agent of, like when women of destruction.
They will destroy you.
Their plan is to come and, so this one, they look at you understand from afar, and they know, say, which kind babe this way, if after work, straight to her husband, you know, and now the kind of man will be in a regular kind of cranking, they give him wife. So, in the end, that man come, and she na shrink. This is all this way they will tell you advice, all this kind of thing. So, he needed a personal shrink, and now, he can't come this company. Tell the madam of the company, say, now that's woman. And she was good at her job, so now he want to make it be the shrink. And he's a form busy man. So now for night, he come the office, you understand, to come discuss with him. And he had money. He come plan trip to travel, you understand, go somewhere. He says she must follow and travel. He tell husband agree. Now when you see your wife inside a private jet, you and the man alone, you see trips. You know when they go sing private trips? You understand? Even before the guy touch him, the movie show her imagination. Say she don't need to even crank the man. It was that bad. She can't even take cocaine self with him in the end. That's the power of pressure. So I don't like some jobs.
Bring it to
I'm just saying. So even though so marketing is a very it's a dicey thing.
Yes.
What of air hostess?
Air hostess, they get their own.
Most
they get their own rules.
No.
If the woman, see, the trick of this air hostess, my time, they give them rules right from time.
Say
if you want go if they fly, you know, they not go see you. They exchange cards.
You know how many cards? You know how many cards? You know how many cards we don't give for exactly?
Even as a passenger, how many passengers don't see the change? You must not see.
You must not see. Yes.
But this one, the air hostess will avoid the person when they fly.
You know what?
You don't have to talk.
You know what?
Let me give you
I will come back to the flying story.
I wouldn't want to tell you say, na me happen to or
Are you sure say not be you?
And I know,
because maybe
and I
another
know,
degree
say na,
level
I
to
know,
collect-
say na you.
I know, no,
but
no.
I want us to,
To
I
collect
want us,
level.
I want us, I want us, I want
Before
us,
you
I want us
go,
to
let me
visit
just-
the air hostesses.
Let
We
me
have
tell
to
you.
fly right now.
Let's fly.
We
let's
have to fly.
Let's
Because I know
fly.
the story, na Shakara 9 day involved. There's no story you see when he's smiling that
And
will
it's
not
not
involve
involved.
him. He's an experienced man
Let's fly.
that must have cranked one air hostess. So let's go to the street and hear what the men will have to say about this matter. No go anywhere. We will come back.
I no go lie, make she dey do prostitute.
Prostitution, all this job where we say like house help.
No, I no fit allow my babe to do that kind of job at all. No, it's not good. That's bad.
Welcome back to Baba Sian, and in case you still want to put out, make sure say you follow our social media portals and any of our individual handles on Instagram, on Facebook, Twitter. We they always there to answer you. We know they always fail, and even if you want to make a phone call, man, we can always. I do it a lot of times to advise them.
Okay,
Chakara,
let me just...
a lot of us get one guy mentioned hotel. He said,
yes,
"Well, and
hotel.
house help."
House help, hotel,
And
yes.
then to add to it, me, PA.
You know, like PA.
Ah, it's terrible.
You know, like PA.
It's
to-
terrible.
What
It's
if
terrible.
what if the organ na female?
And the owner who?
And the PA na
And
female.
your wife
your
na-
babe. Your wife and the organ na
yes,
female.
yes,
If
yes.
you do PA
to
na
a female.
PA to a female is okay.
You do that one now.
It's okay.
But,
It's okay.
but following the rate of, anyway, female...
Why you say they go do lesbianism?
It's okay. No. Let's move on. Let's move on.
Let's move on.
Then talking about the police.
You don't like your wife be police?
I would love my wife
like
to be
police.
police.
John.
No, me.
I
you don't like
will
wife to be
love
police?
my wife to be
Shakara, why you
police.
don't like
Mess
wife to
with
be
me and
police?
see.
Why you
Do
like
you know
wife
what
to
it
be
means
police?
for her to be police?
See, there's a lot of corruption and oppression.
How? Explain
that
yourself.
sector.
In the
How?
sector.
Let me tell you.
Okay.
Do you know your boss? To my imagination, as the way we get right over every sergeant or corporal or constable say, you do this thing. I want you to do this thing. If you command your wife,
So what is he going to command her?
as IG when be
Say waiting.
Understand?
So wait, Shakara, what do you mean say?
Say waiting.
You no go want me your
You-
wife dey first at all.
stand here.
So I want to ask you a question.
Eh?
So I want to ask you a question. You feel say as you did like this now, MC Shakara, then your wife now policewoman. I know say most policewomen are not. They are kind of roles. Not be this one where they stand for street. They are giving you can.
The
you
ones
can
where they
choose.
see where they stand for street.
No, we have. Let me tell you,
no police
those
woman.
ones want money now. They
No
got
police
traffic
woman.
warding.
But everybody's
They do
not.
traffic warding job and the rest. That one. Let me tell you, there's a police where they very, very decent and good. Now you want them to say somebody will look you MC Shakara, and
Then-
because he's high job police, then he
then-
will tell your wife say he wants to crank your wife.
You
I know
don't know
so that
what's
your
happening
wife.
there. And then let me take you to somewhere now. Police even easy. Soldier.
Uh-huh.
That one, it's
It's what?
na jungle life, you understand?
No,
See, let me tell you.
there are different kind of position where did they
You
give
forget,
a
let me
military
tell
person,
you.
a woman?
Yeah, so that will bend
There's
down.
a military
woman,
woman, yeah.
a military
There
woman
is a
position. For organ of military, you must go to NDA. You must either you go do course after your
But they don't
university,
send the women
or
know they go do
women
all those
and
ones.
men are
Women
the
know they
same
do all
thing.
those ones. They do
Women
all
and
those
men are
ones.
the same
Well,
thing.
and
There's rough riding in that sector. Let me tell you.
What the hell is this?
Shakara.
guy talking about? Why are you mentioning
Hey,
names
when I
of
say
condom
rough riding,
on this show?
when I say
Why
rough
are you
riding-
mentioning names of condom on this show? I've told
not
you
names
guys,
of condom.
come and sponsor this show. Shakara on this owner has called a condom
No, when
brand
I say
that we
rough
know
riding,
he used last night.
I mean,
I hope you had a very smooth landing
That
also.
is
Where?
soft landing, no soft
Okay,
landing.
soft landing.
Where?
Soft landing.
Yeah,
You
last
land
night.
softly.
I slept very well.
You slept
landed
with
very well.
You slept with people.
You always sleep with people now. We know that you have. I know.
I wouldn't say I slept like a baby because Nigerians keep lying about that thing. You ask somebody how's your night, to say I slept like a baby. Meanwhile, if you see where baby they sleep, maybe they wake up like 12 times for night.
And then they sleep.
No, but
You know
sometimes
sleep.
when they want sleep,
And
they
then-
feel stay like 6 hours
Who
straight.
6 hours?
Maybe they hardly sleep 6 hours.
Have you been with baby? Who 6 hours?
I told you guys. I told you guys. I cannot get picky.
It
I don't
depends
tell
depends on the guy, baby.
I said he said he get one, but when he was in Sulere, he get one of his neighbor when he was picking every morning. Come back. From one that time, the child is quiet.
Ask you, how was your night? Say I slept like a baby. You don't want to sleep close to a baby and see how a baby sleep. The people who wake up and cry and wake up. Instead of you say,
For the first time, I agree with you because you cannot say a father is speaking. Let me ask the man that does not have children yet.
Yes, I don't have children.
Tell me the kind of jobs.
I don't like. Okay, wait.
Why you want to deny your status?
I love children. I wish I have some. Honestly speaking.
Maybe you don't want either accept or you don't listen to this somewhere.
Let me tell you, I admire Two-Face a lot. No.
This is just admiration of the lifestyle of what they do. Let me tell you. Let me tell you.
It's not like the lifestyle.
I want to put it out to you, point blank and categorically, that women are out there looking at you right now. They are disappointed, saying that in all your years of cranking, over 1,000 women you've cranked, there's not even one that can tell you.
There's nothing to show.
Nothing to show for
you. You have no trophy.
You are impotent.
Look at Two-Face.
Please tell me the amount of. Tell me the kind of jobs that you can do. A small whiskey is having children. Up and down. The video is having children. You like this, you are close to 45. You are not having children, and you are making noise. My friend have kids. This life is short.
I am 45. I'm older than you with just 2 years.
That
means you are 43.
A young teenager like me. My brother, please say something. Let us hear.
Okay.
I don't answer him. The jobs that you cannot do.
The job that I cannot do.
That your wife cannot do.
And one guy says the talk I'm there. Say like me, wife they work for hotel. My wife don't go work for spa, but I know how much she work for spa.
Okay.
When they massage people.
A masseuse.
I beg. No.
Why?
If you want to massage me.
Why? But there are some men that are not.
I'm not interested.
How do you know the talk since? No, the sexual part, the model.
Anything intimate.
You will never
but why do you think you will want? Because the main reason why I feel say a man no go want his wife to work for some places. Most times it's only about the sexual.
Not the sexual.
No. Like I never like my wife to work for a gambling room. You know those
Casino.
Thank you, my brother. You know, your wife then they work there.
If you want even inside
memory.
Thank you.
You understand?
If you want to talk about that health hazards or the whole listen, like me, the main reason why I don't go like my wife to be air hostess, it's not because of say they will give her a card, which I know the whole thing that happens.
Safety and all
safety, because I was thinking when I was growing up, so I go be pilot. My mother and I begged me, say, I bet they beg me, say, your wife.
You know go see front now. I want to be pilot. You want the glass, showman. Continue. Don't say something. Continue.
Please. Take us away, see opinion, please.
You say one fly
pilot.
I want to be when I come back.
Glass there.
Now you walk on the
I no go 1 year if e dey steal.
Stealing
No be work. So if e dey steal, you no fit tell me say e dey steal.
e no good make like my parents hear say I dey date boy wey dey steal. E no make sense.
Okay, when I welcome back to the only nice show where they make sure say I'm giving a shout out to Ugochukwu Matthews wherever he is right now. We are wishing you speed recovery from Dubai. Then what is here, Shakarade also, and they talking
about Ugo Matthews.
Yes. Okay.
I know go wife, make my wife be nurse as well. Doctor is different from nurse. My wife can be a doctor. Doctor, you prescribe, you write handwriting when nobody they see.
But doctor they do operation too.
Then they do. But nurse. Then be the, you understand?
The same way I don't like make a male doctor, that's gynecologist. Give birth to my wife. Those men can test.
No, those
you know, say when you don't want to say no, say they say one. They say
1 centimeter.
One is many one. Don't take that say. Two. Now when the man they put 5 inside.
You know, but if your wife deliver when they get those student doctors, we come. They won't come teach them. And all of you come this way. This is the pregnancy. This woman. One is like this is tested. Can you see it? Put it. Let me see. Can you feel it?
I didn't realize that. Do you know that I would also like my wife to be a lecturer?
Oh wow! Why?
Oh wow! Why? Do you know what these young boys are doing these days? Jesus Christ! You meet him. I have met him. I hope the woman of God is even here. The woman of God will tell me when I was growing up.
Lecturer is fair.
Jesus Christ! Don't play. Do you know if I have someone like you in my wife's class, she will change class. You. So that you be the student, my wife be the teacher. I say, this woman of God, when I was in the university, tell us, when she say, don't be forming, and I'm saying this to even you at home. The form say, the feel say, you cannot fall. Now, a reverend, she says, if she go class, a particular boy, they always do that, way her heart, you understand? They always, you could just feel.
She's
No. She was telling you that anybody can fall. So even when the boy won't answer, it was so brilliant that when the boy get up, won't talk, you understand? She was feeling. She go house, tell her husband, say, hold hands with me. There's a young lad in my class. That every time I see this, she was a real woman of God, and they pray. That's what they think take care. So me, I will say. Then I'm giving shout out to Juwon, that is operating my director in the PR room. He just told me right now that
you wouldn't want his wife
to be an actress.
That department is very
stupid. The kissing. Imagine you watching your wife.
Watching your wife.
The people responsible for people like Juwon not wanting their wife to be actress. Hear your name, say present, sir. Ramsey Noah. Jimmy, John Dumelu,
Martin Michael,
You just cut somebody's wife leaves.
You see the way they kiss the person. They say he's acting.
The funny thing they say it's part of the script.
Well, I'm joining. I want to join things, so I'm going off for kissing.
There's these young ones now that are the young stars, are all the new stars now. They are all ones. If they're a kiss, they hold back. You know, any kiss, they hold back of your head. Ike Bona. Blossom. Alex Okubo. You see, Ken.
Kenneth Okole, Melvin Odua, Mr. Nigeria, Emmanuel.
These new guys.
These are the men that I'm telling you. I'm telling you, these are men that if you think they are acting, it's a lie. These are men that when they are kissing you down there, they are feeling something.
You know, funny things that as they kiss, so they go do cut.
Some of them have wife like Yul Edochie, very fine guy.
Yes,
he has a wife.
Can you imagine?
But Yul they kiss very. The only person I can allow, the only actor I can allow in the industry and say kiss my wife is this guy that was in Ambo. What do you call this guy? This good actor is my friend. How can I forget? Osi Ukeje has the fear of God. If he's kissing your wife, you know that it's not real.
I will mention one person to you now that if the person kiss your wife in film, know that in fact go and divorce your wife. The person name is Gbero Ajibade. Gbero Ajibade, that guy is a Rogadi Baba. No, if Gbero want to kiss, he will use this elbow to hold the girl.
He go down.
Say, come on.
You have to watch this episode. Sakara has finished you.
That is going to say, cut. Come on.
Meanwhile, he does not forget. If you forget that your wife also is an actress too.
So do to others
what you don't like them to do to you.
Those who live in glass house don't throw stones.
They don't throw stones. Please, we have to go right now. Gbero Ajibade, we dedicate this edition to you. Don't mind Sakara. It's just joking, but it's our friend and our brother. We love you so much, and we love even Osas Ajibade. Lovely couple. So, from us inside this bar, we want to say a big shout out to everybody. We love you. Social media portals, they fly there. Make sure you throw in your comments. And then what is here? Sakara is here. We'll be here in the bar tomorrow, but Sakara has to go and crank right now. So, good night.
Memma woni pe bi embu abonfia ahopo pro mo ye nyina bo huntia oye wotam fo ja no manimvia yambu amu amunsi na bumpia se wo pe mo anyo menyina edi na nyame ni awaka no ne bebe mo se wo ma usa swabi ponyina tutu. So my party don't lose God, can't walk home out of everybody singing hallelujah. Hallelujah. Everybody singing hallelujah. Hallelujah. Make we sing, oh. We sing, oh, yeah. I say, happy sing, oh.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.